Tonight. So in today's video, we will see how we can use multi-part APIs in ASP.NET MVC. So what we want to do is we want to post files from our web project to the API project, and we will see how we can do that. So this is the code over here. So this is the web project code that we are using for posting the file onto the web API. So here you notice we have this file name over here, and we are reading the file data, and we are giving a name that we want to send. Okay, and then I have added these two additional parameters. So in case if you need additional data there, then you can use this way of adding the data. Okay, so we are adding all this in the form data. Okay, and then we are posting the data here, okay, onto the API, and we are passing the form data over here. Now going to the API part. So in the API, for reading the file that we got from the website, so we are reading the multi-part data here. Okay, and first of all, what it will do is it will read the content and it will save that into the temp path. Okay, now after that it will provide you the name of the file and also the other parameters from form data. Okay, and then you can move the file to any location where you want, or you can save that. Okay, so this is how it will work. I will just show you it in the runtime. So now, so first we will see where it will save the data. So it will save in the F and upload folder, and this is the folder. Okay, we already have this zip which we will delete. Okay, so now there is no file, and now we will run the application. Okay, so here now it will get the file data and it will add that in the form data, and then we are adding two more parameters, and now we are posting that to the API. So in the API side we already have a breakpoint. So you can see the request has reached to the API, and now we are reading the multi-part data here. Okay, so it was a like 50 MB file, so it will take some time to read the data. Now since it have read the data, now you can see the file name. This is the same file name that we have sent from there, and then we have these two additional parameters that we sent from there. Okay, now we are checking for the upload directly, and then we are moving the file there. So if you go back to the upload folder, so this is the file that we just deleted earlier. So you can see that file has been transmitted successfully. So this is how you can call the multi-part APIs in ASP.NET MVC. Now if you need the code part, then what you can do is you can go to our official website postman.com. We will also provide you a direct link of the code. Okay, so you can go here, and so here you will, so here you will see this blog posting files to web API in ASP.NET MVC. You can open up the blog, and here you will see the same code that we just seen in the video. Okay, so you can pick it from here, and you also have to add these settings into the web config. Okay, because when you upload zip files or any file which is larger than 4 MB, then you have to allow that content length from here. Okay, so you can also download the code sample from here, and let us know if you face any kind of issue, guys, and thanks for watching.